When Paul was speaking to the Athenians in Acts 17:24-25, the God who made the world and everything in it, being Lord of heaven and earth, does not dwell in temples made by man, nor is he served by human hands as though he needed anything, since he himself gives to all mankind life and breath and everything. God doesn't lack glory, even. He himself is glorious. He has his own glory independent of anything outside of him. In John 17:5, so the night before Jesus went to the cross, he said, "And now, Father, glorify me in your own presence with the glory that I had with you before the world existed." Do you catch that? Before the world existed. It's not that, God has everything, but I just like that one thing. I need glory, and I need to create everything so I have glory. No, he already has it. Any glory that he receives from his creation is just in addition to what he already has.